Now again we are going to start new topic, that is advanced filtering in a data sheet. Okay, so now we have a one database, that is a student database, and in that database we have a student table, and in the table we have some information. Okay, and we are going to solve advanced filtering option, right? uh, Advanced filtering, because sometimes we want to set any particular criteria, and using that criteria that we can use a filter option. Okay, suppose that we have a lots of information in a database, and we want to filter a particular record on the given criteria. So in that case we can use a advanced filter option. Okay, how we'll do, we are going to solve the advanced filter option. So now we have a one table, and that table we have some information: roll number, name, class, and marks, address, and grade. So I'm going to filter the record on the given criteria, that is a marks, right? Marks, or we can say as a class. So select the marks column header, and now we can see in the drop down menu present in that right corner, and now we can see there is a something, we can say the number filter option. Now we can see there is some information, that is a equal, does not equal, less than, greater than, between. So we have some criteria, and on the basis of criteria we can filter the record, right? So suppose that I want to click on the equal sign. So now we can see the custom filter dialog box will appear. Okay, in that dialog box there is a one field, is that is a marks is equal to that, because we have set, we are using the marks field. So according to the marks value we can filter the record, right? So in the custom filter dialog box we will type the particular value which we want to find out. So suppose that in the marks record I want to filter the record that is a 71 marks, who is getting, I want to check out that marks is equal to 78. Okay, and after that click on OK button. Now we can see, so the 70x marks got BJ, and the roll number of the BJ is 11235, and he is in class 10th, and he also got the A grade. So using the marks we can filter the record. Okay, and after that we can click on the toggle filter option. Again we can move back. Now I'm going to filter the value according to the class. So I'll click on the class heading in the right corner, and now number filter option, and I want to check out here. Again I'll use the equal sign, equal option, equal criteria. Now class is equal to, so we can filter according to the class. So I'll type here, suppose that I want to filter class 12th students. Okay, so I'll type here class 12, and then click on the OK button. So now we can see in class 12 there are 3 students. Okay, so Nikita, Ankit, and Reena, they are in class 12. So I have applied the filter option on the class. So according to the class criteria we can see the number of records. Fine. So this is the advanced filtering option in a datasheet view. Using the advanced filtering option we can filter the records on the given criteria. Okay, that's it.